everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am here to show you some new packs that I've created with a ginormous pile of beach and tropical and vacation kind of summer style pieces that I've collected over the last few months. I have a huge pile here. If I go underneath all of this, I have to go through and sort out all of this and put them into packs. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna have perhaps maybe 6 or 7 packs to share with some other little pieces of ephemera that I find around the place as well. So if you're interested to see what's inside these packs and how I kind of sort them out, then keep watching. So I'm back with 4 completed packs. Let me just move my scissors out. If you are wondering what scissors I use to do all of my die cutting, from the tiniest die cut pieces, fussy cut pieces that I do to just like general cutting, it's these orange Marbig scissors. I don't know if you can see that there. They are the most simple Marbig orange school scissors. I think they cost like $3 a pair. They are the absolute best. They, mind my language, but they shit all over any expensive scissors that you'll buy. These are the best. All right, enough about scissors. I've put together 4 packs. These packs are so amazing because since I spoke to you last, I collected a whole lot more stuff from my stash. And so they're like super full. There's about 50 pieces in each, and you get a whole bunch of different stuff, including like some lace and just bits and pieces. So let me grab one of them to show you. We might look at this one here, and I'll move the others out of the way so I don't get any of them mixed up. Now, if you're interested in purchasing these when you're watching this video, it means that the listing is live, so you can purchase them from my Etsy store. I just want to give a bit of a disclaimer that the prices of a lot of my packs, I actually am having to put the prices up on a lot of them because it does take me a long time to collect this stuff. I've been sitting here for like the last couple of hours just putting together putting together 4 packs. And so I don't know, I think my time is worth money, as everyone's time is. And for a long time I kind of just did this, and you know, I was selling my packs really cheap, and I think people really like them. And I think you're getting good value here because you are getting all vintage pieces, and like it takes me time to go to the shops and buy this stuff and then sort it and then store it and then put it together. And so I think my time's worth money. And so if I was going to Spotlight and buying like a pack of fussy cuts or a pad of scrapbook paper, like pads of scrapbook paper at Spotlight are sometimes like $40 to $45. And you know, fussy cut packs can be like $15 to $20. And so I don't know, I think you're getting good value when you're purchasing from my store. So if you notice the prices have gone up on a lot of my ephemera packs, it's just because I think I'm worth it, to be honest. All right, so let's get on to it. I have added in some hand-dyed papers. So these are the papers that I dyed in my how to dye papers video that's also on my channel. You would have seen me dyeing these papers. Again, takes me a long time to do, so I think that you're getting good value. You're getting some of the little doilies as well. I also hand dyed some lace and some, this is actually like handmade pulp paper that I also dyed. It's got a lovely texture. I've got some hand-dyed envelopes here, and I just decided to put them all in because they're very oceany and I kind of like them. Also some hand-dyed ledger paper, which I've already folded for you, so it's ready to be sewn into a journal. What else have I added in here? Oh yes, I've got some of these from the 1960s, these National Geographic sticker books. They were like collector books, but these are 4 stickers here. I don't want to lick them by testing out the adhesive, but I reckon if you licked them, they'd probably still be sticky. Probably toxic though, so don't do that. But these are from Bermuda, so you can see some vacational, touristy photos from Bermuda. I've also added in a little bikini girl here. She is from a Simplicity pattern book from 1974 that I've cut out. I've got one Australian stamp that's got sailboats on it. Like I showed you before, obviously you get the playing cards. I've also included a envelope and a writing page. These are both Ken Doane ones from 1989. So if you don't know Ken Doane, he was a big Australian artist and he was huge in the late 80s and 90s, and he's actually had this big resurgence that's come back recently. Actually, this fabric in the background is not Ken Doane, but it's in a very Ken Doane kind of style. Anyway, he's had a big resurgence, and I got these, found these at an op shop, and they're from his big line of products from the late 80s, and there's some Australia envelope and writing paper, so you will get one of those in the pack as well. Like I showed you, each pack you're also going to get I'll move all of that. You're also going to get a front cover from an Australian photography magazine with a bikini girl on the front. This one's from 1971. Oh, let me see what other goodies I've added in here. So again, lots of bikini girls, lots of pictures of summer fun, some snorkelers, some vacationers coming off the plane, going somewhere tropical. So that's this pack here. Again, if you purchase these packs, you'll get a random pack unless you message me and ask me for a particular one. Just tell me what girl is on it. Just say like pink bikini girl or blue bikini girl. And then I will send you the one that you want if it hasn't already been sold. So this pack here, I love this one. This has got a girl in like a full matching bikini set. So she's got her coveralls on and her bag and her little handkerchief and her bikini, which I loved. Again, from that 1974 Simplicity catalogue. Again, you're going to get some doilies, some little bits of hand-dyed silk here, some bikini girls. The stamp that you get in this one is of a nudibranch, little sea slug. So that's very cute. There's whale here. You get this lovely, again, another piece of hand-dyed lace. The same as I've shown you before, so all of that hand-dyed paper, lined paper, pulp paper, all of that. Some more Ken Doane paper, the playing cards you'll get, the little strips of patterned paper here. What else is in this one? Oh, you get a really cool front cover. You get this one. This is my favorite one. I think this is my favorite pack. So if you like this one, you can tell me to send you the one with the blue lady on the front. Put all of these back as they are. Oh, I love this pack so much. Get a little floral piece of pattern paper here. What else is fun in this one? So much fun stuff. Oh, I love this one. You get that 1920s silent film picture in this one too. And what else? What else is great? You get that music page. Oops. From the Depths is the name of this piece. So that's another pack. And oh, I love this one too. Oh, I just can never choose. These ones are great. This one here has the Love Letters from the Love Letters from the Sand musical piece. Shells, crabs, etc. You get this lovely lady in a floral coverall. She's this is something you'd wear resorting, I guess. Again, you're going to get some hand-dyed lace, hand-dyed silk, hand-dyed lace. You're going to get this Hayman Island holiday advertisement. A sea turtle, starfish, bikini girl here. You're going to get a sticker from the National Geographic. This is Bermuda's beaches are world famous. Again, it's on Bermuda. You're going to get the Kendone envelopes. The front cover, magazine front cover you're going to get on this one is the lovely lady with the amazing hair. And the fabulous bikini with the pointy boobs as usual. Some dyed paper. This is a really nice piece. I love this little picture here. It's really nice. Some palm trees. Little bikini lady I've cut out here. So really great pieces. Enough pieces, I reckon, to put together a small journal and then also to add your own collections to it as well. I reckon if you buy yourself a pad of like beach themed big square scrapbook paper, you're definitely on your way to making an amazing beachy journal. All you need is a cover. Oops. And lastly, we have this one here. I really love this pack. It doesn't have a illustrated fashion model, but it's got a photographic fashion model in here. She's also from the 1974 Simplicity catalogue, and she's wearing this gorgeous outfit. The fabric actually matches the one that's illustrated here, so love that. Again, you're gonna get some hand-dyed lace. This one comes with a little note card that I made and sewed. Again, like, you know, I put all these little bits and pieces together, and so I think that you're getting a good variety of stuff here. The magazine cover you're gonna get is this one from 1962. You're gonna get a whole collection of stickers from Bermuda again. All the usual dyed paper, the Kendone letter paper, and just your usual bits and bobs from magazines. You're going to get the page from the National Geographic one of Jamaica, which I love. The music page you get is Lily of Laguna. And you get this lovely squid. You get a whole bunch of really cool stuff. Oh, the stamp that you get is from Thailand. It's a beautiful tropical flower. And this is a bingo card of a beach ball. You can take that as well. You've got some fish and you've got some shells. So yeah, that's pretty much all of them. That's 4 of them. If you're watching this video, it means they're listed on my Etsy store. Please let me know what you thought of them. Let me know in the comments or in my Etsy store if you're looking for any packs in particular, any particular themes, because as you know, I have so much stuff that I can pretty much put together anything that you're looking for.